It's the blizzard, man. Alabama, man. It's crazy, bro. Snow in Alabama. That's crazy. I mean, nigga on the Gulf, bro.
Yeah. Damn near.
Yeah, because Mobile on the Gulf.
Yeah, Mobile on the Gulf.
Yeah. I mean, you know the state of Alabama.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, look at that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Fished up.
Yeah. He had the 4-wheel drive. You know what it is? He need to put some weight on the back of that bitch. Some bricks or something.
Truck look like it's a 2-door at that. He ain't even no 4-door. He just stay in his lane. Don't pass him.
Nah, don't pass that nigga.